The Panchen Lama is one of the best known cases of the Chinese government enforcibly disappearing someone. And I think unless and until he and his family are free, we can't really say that much has changed. Indeed, we published a piece probably 5 or 6 years ago now, detailing about 75 or 80 cases of political prisoners, of some of whom there had been no news in 20 years. At least in those cases, we knew that people had been formally detained. But I think it's also important to understand that enforced disappearances are considered especially cruel because not only do they affect the person who has been disappeared, but also to deny family members and friends and other loved ones any information about their status can be considered a form of torture. So I think Beijing continues to use these tactics largely to silence people who have views it doesn't like.